Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. I spent a day testing Nano Banana 2 and pushing it as far as possible. So the results were impressive. What became clear during these tests is that mastering a few core techniques is essential if you want to fully unlock a tool that can replace hours of manual design work. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you real experiments that highlight what's new and how you can integrate this model into your workflow. Now for the test 1, character consistency in complex scenes. So one of the biggest weaknesses of AI image generators has always been character consistency. Nano Banana 2 introduces a major improvement here, so the model can maintain up to 5 consistent characters and up to 14 separate objects in a scene. So this makes it ideal for storyboards, comics, and multi-frame narratives. And under the prompt box, click on Tools right here and click on Create Image. So paste in your prompt. So I have a prompt here, for example. So create a cinematic scene featuring 5 distinct characters standing in a busy city. And so the model correctly generated all characters and objects. So to push it further, I changed the scene while keeping the same cast. So here's the prompt. Use the same 5 characters and objects from the previous scene. Now show them running across the street during a sudden rainstorm while traffic passes by. Maintain identical character appearance and object consistency, cinematic lighting, motion blur, and dramatic atmosphere. So hit on generate. And now, despite the new action, the characters remained visually consistent. So, task 2 is real world knowledge integration. So, another upgrade is the model's ability to incorporate accurate real world information. So, Nano Banana 2 is built on Gemini 3.1 Flash, which allows it to reference real world data. So, to test this, I generated an image based on GPS coordinates and a historical date. So, this is my prompt. So, generate a photorealistic historical scene using the following coordinates and hit generate. And so the results showed accurate clothing, clothes, and construction methods. So test 3 is infographics with accurate data. So next I tested whether the model could create data-driven visuals. So I have my prompt here. Create a clean educational infographic showing the distances between each planet and the sun. So include Mercury, Venus, Earth, etc. So display the distance in kilometers for each planet and click on generate. Now the output contain correct numbers and a polished design. So this type of test normally requires manual research, spreadsheet organization, and graphic design tools, but the model produced it from a single prompt. Amazing, right? Task 4 is accurate text rendering and translation. So most AI generators struggle with text inside images. Now Nano Banana 2 performs significantly better, so I tested this by generating a night market scene with Japanese signage. So this is my prompt. Create a vibrant night market scene in Tokyo, include neon signs written in Japanese advertising, and click on generate. Then I translated the text. So this is my translation prompt. Translate all Japanese signage in the previous image into English. Keep the exact same layout, typography, lighting, and design style. Now the layout remained intact while the language has changed. So this also worked with Spanish and Korean. Next is task 5, so precise product photography. So I tested whether the model could follow highly detailed product instructions. So this is my prompt. Create a professional studio product photo of premium over-ear headphones. Requirements: in white background, aspect ratio 1:1, and resolution is 4K. Click on generate. Now the result looked like a real product shoot. Then I asked for a small adjustment. So this is my adjustment prompt. Rotate the headphones 15 degrees to the right. Keep everything else identical: lighting, shadows, composition, and background. Click generate. And the change was applied precisely. Amazing. Next is task 6, creative scene generation. So to test creativity, I generate something chaotic. So this is my prompt. Create a dramatic cafe scene where furniture and objects are being violently thrown into the air. So details, etc., etc. Lighting, aspect ratio 16:9, resolution is 4K. And now the result looked like a freeze frame from an action movie. This is very realistic. Now, for the final experiment, I combine everything like the character consistency, historical knowledge, readable text, and detailed instruction following. So, first, I generated three characters. So, portrait of a construction foreman from 1870s, portrait of a 19th century civil engineer, and portrait of a bridge construction worker from the 1870s. So, then I used them as references. So, I uploaded the three images. And this is my prompt. So create a cinematic movie poster for a historical drama about the construction of the Brooklyn Bridge. So include the three reference characters as the main cast. Now the characters stayed consistent, the bridge appeared historically accurate, and the poster looked like a real theoretical design. Now, across all tests, Nano Banana 2 showed remarkable consistency and accuracy. So, tasks that normally require multiple tasks like research, design, editing, and image generation can now be done with a single prompt. And if you want to experiment with Nano Banana 2 yourself, you can try it in Google Gemini and run similar tests. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Pixie from Technique Force. Let AI take over your photo editing. Bye-bye hard work and Photoshop. Create illustrations, photos, ads, logos, and more with the world's best AIs. 100s of ready-made workflows. Forget prompts. Just click and generate. 10 plus AI models, exclusive and secret AIs included. Generate high-quality images with just a click. Create and edit photographs, illustrations, posters, signs, logos, ads, thumbnails, and anything else you can imagine with exclusive high-quality AI models. Unleash the creative imagination of AI at your command. Create beautiful logos, banners, signs, and other advertising graphics easily. Huge ready-made prompt and workflows library. Download in the size you want. Remove backgrounds from any image. Upscale images and restore photographs. 150 plus ready workloads. Click and create easy. No need to be a prompt magician. Pixie is your magic. Perfect AI calibration and control. Upload any image and rework it. Use every top image AI. Use them all. Searchable repository of your images. Get access to hidden and open source AIs. Get uncensored AI generators. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Pixie now. Just go to getpixie.in.